landing shall be provided at the tops of the curb ramps. The landing clear length shall be 36 inches minimum length in the direction of the ramp, 36 inches from that grade break. The landing clear width shall be at least as wide as the curb ramp, excluding flared sides leading to the landing. If this curb ramp here is 5 feet wide, the landing is 5 feet wide and a minimum 36 inches in length, not including all this flared stuff here. So it's not 8 feet wide, typically 36. In some cases, it's 4 feet. So that exception to the flared slope in alterations where there is no landing at the top of curb ramps. Curb ramp flares shall be provided and shall not be steeper than 1 in 12, which is 8%. This is an alteration to an existing facility where there's a building here and I don't have the space to get me that landing. Then my slopes here on my flares has to be lower than 10%. So now we have 8% here. This is only in alterations. So if it's new construction, no alterations, okay? You're limited by other things and you just don't have the right of way to create the appropriate landing length. Not ideal, but they do give you that exception.